A paycheck-to-paycheck budget is a financial management approach designed for individuals who rely on each paycheck to cover their immediate expenses. In this budgeting method, individuals allocate their income to essential expenses and necessities, ensuring they have enough to meet their financial obligations until the next paycheck arrives. Here at the Wallet Kit, we are going to reveal how to use a paycheck-to-paycheck budget to navigate your finances with limited resources. 1. Income assessment. Begin by determining your total monthly or bi-weekly income, which primarily consists of your salary or wages. Let's say your monthly income is $2,000. 2. Fixed expenses. List your fixed monthly expenses, which remain consistent from month to month. These typically include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, insurance premiums, and minimum debt payments. Example: your fixed total expenses could be $1,200 per month, comprising rent or mortgage, $700, utilities, $100, insurance, $50, and loan payments, $350. 3. Variable expenses. Identify your variable monthly expenses, such as groceries, transportation, toiletries, and other necessities. These expenses may fluctuate, but are crucial for day-to-day living. For instance, you can allocate $300 for groceries, $100 for transportation, and $50 for miscellaneous necessities. 4. Savings and emergency fund. While budgeting paycheck to paycheck, allocate a small portion of your income, if possible, to an emergency fund. Even a minimal contribution can help build financial resilience. You can allocate $50 each month to your emergency fund. 5. Budget allocation. Create a detailed budget by allocating specific dollar amounts to each expense category. Ensure that your total budgeted expenses, including savings, equal or preferably fall below your monthly income. Example: your budget allocation for 1 month may look like this. Fixed expenses, $1,200. Variable expenses, $450. Savings and emergency fund, $50. 6. Bi-weekly or monthly planning. Depending on your pay frequency, plan your budget for each paycheck. Allocate funds for both fixed and variable expenses, ensuring you have enough to cover essentials until the next paycheck arrives. For instance, if you're paid bi-weekly, you may allocate $600 for fixed expenses and $225 for variable expenses from each paycheck. 7. Tracking and adjustments. Keep a close eye on your spending throughout the month and make adjustments if necessary. Be mindful of not overspending in any category to ensure you have enough for essential expenses. Example: if you overspend on groceries early in the month, you may need to tighten your budget in other areas, like dining out or entertainment. 8. Emergency fund growth. As your financial situation improves, consider increasing your savings contributions, including your emergency fund, to provide a buffer for unexpected expenses. As your income increases or debts decrease, you may decide to allocate more to your emergency fund, aiming to save $100 or more per month. A paycheck-to-paycheck budget is a practical approach for managing finances when resources are limited. While it may initially focus on covering essential expenses, it serves as a foundation for building financial stability over time. As you develop stronger financial habits and increase your income, you can gradually expand your budget to accommodate savings, investments, and long-term financial goals.